Welcome to my channel SD Civil Info. This video comprises some introduction about construction materials. First, let us see what is construction material. That is, any materials which is used for construction purpose is called construction material. Example, concrete, cement, soil, stones, aggregates, plastic, asphalt, etc. How do we choose the materials for construction purpose? Let us see here. There are many types of building materials used in construction, and each and every material has their own and different properties such as weight, strength, durability, cost, etc. And these properties are responsible to make the materials suitable for certain types of applications. And the choice of construction materials is based on cost and effectiveness. And these materials are to be selected that they have the capacity to resist the loads and stresses acting on the structures. And the type of material used in each and every project depends on the size and use of the building. And generally, building materials can be divided into two categories wise. They are natural building materials and man-made building materials. Naturally occurring substances such as clay, rocks, sand, wood, water, etc. have been used to construct buildings. And apart from naturally occurring materials, many man-made products are also in use. Some are more synthetic and some are less synthetic. And for example, concrete, steel, bricks, etc. are man-made building materials. And these both categories usually require a certain level of preparation or treatment before they are used in structural applications. And the important point to be considered is the building materials are to be manufactured in well-established and standardized industries capable of providing a reliable supply of high-quality materials for our structures. And this production process of structural grade building material is subjected to quality control procedures which involve inspection and testing according to our national standards and scientific testing methods. And the next thing is, for every project, its specification is very essential. Therefore, specifications including all the building materials that are going to be used in the project and their applicable standards and provisions are to be prepared. This is a crucial part of any project to specify the quality as well as properties of the materials to be used, and these are all to be done by engineers. Now let us have quick glance in some basic construction materials as follows. First one is wood. I hope you all know that wood is used as a construction material for thousands of years, and it is said that if woods are properly maintained, it can last for hundreds of years. And wood is a readily available as well as economically feasible natural resource with lightweight as well as highly machinable properties. And wood provides good insulation from cold, and this property makes wood as an excellent building material for homes as well as in other buildings also. The next construction material we are going to see is water. Water is one of the most important elements in the construction process, and it is required for the preparation of mortar, mixing of cement concrete, and for curing works, etc. And water plays a vital role in the construction process because the quality of water used has a direct impact on the strength of the mortar as well as cement concrete in the construction work. And the water used for curing as well as mixing must be free from high quantities of alkalis, acids, oil, salt, sugar, organic materials, vegetable growth, etc. because that might be deleterious to bricks, concrete or steel. Impurities in water can cause metal corrosion and that introduce unwanted silt and clay into the concrete and that adversely affect the hardening process of concrete and also reduces the strength by even 25%. That is why the need to ensure the quality of water used during construction is vital, and the IS code 456-2000 lays certain parameter for which the quality of water must be tested. The next building material is stone. We all know that stones have been considered as one of the popular building materials from the olden days due to their availability in abundance from the natural rocks, and the building stone should possess enough strength and durability, and the stones which are suitable for the construction of structures such as retaining walls, abutments, dams, barrages, roads, etc. are known as building stones. The next one is masonry. Masonry construction is using individual units to build structures by using mortar to bound the units together, and these are strong in resisting compression loads or stresses, and this property makes it ideal to use for the construction of load-bearing walls. And this masonry includes brick, stone, concrete blocks, etc. And these are all highly durable and fire-resistant material, and this is sensitive to mortar and workmanship quality. The next one is sand. Sand is a naturally occurring granular material that is composed of finely divided rock and mineral particles, and the most common constituent of sand is silica, that is usually in the form of quartz, and sand is used with cement and sometimes with lime to make mortar for masonry work and plastering work, and it is also used as a part of the concrete mix. And the next one is concrete, that is a man-made building material. Concrete is a composite material made by mixing cement, aggregates such as sand and crushed stone and water, and in some cases some mineral admixtures are also mixed. The properties of concrete depend on the ratio used in the mix design. The next one is reinforcing steel. Concrete is very strong when exposed to compression stresses. However, it is brittle and has limited tensile strength. Therefore, combined with steel rebar, reinforced concrete is stronger and more suitable for a wide range of structures. And another one is structural steel. Steel is one of the strongest building materials which are available with excellent strength capacity in both tension and in compression. Because of its high strength to weight ratio, steel is ideal for structural framework of tall buildings and of larger industrial buildings. And structural steel is available in standard shapes such as angles, I-beams, C-channels, etc. These shapes can be welded together or connected using high-strength bolts to build structures which are capable of resisting larger forces and deformation. And steel is relatively expensive building material, and so it is engineers' responsibility to choose the economic sizes and shapes according to the actual loads on the building that acts to avoid over-design. And the installation of steel is less time-consuming process when compared to concrete. And we come to the end of this session. There are many other construction materials that are in practice. Actually, the topic construction material is very vast one. In this video, I have given some basic introduction about construction materials that are in use. I hope you all like this video. If you feel useful by watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe. I will meet you soon in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.